Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video. I recorded my nighttime skincare routine, so I will just be showing you the products, how I use them, and yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. So first I like to start off with this Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. It literally just melts your makeup off. I like to take a small amount on this spatula that comes with it and just apply it to my fingers, and I forgot to take my rings off, so don't mind me. But I like to just rub it into my face and it literally melts everything away. It'll melt your mascara, a matte lipstick, I waterproof anything. Yeah, it just does such a great job at removing all of my makeup. So after rubbing that in, I like to just take a makeup wipe and just wipe everything away, being careful not to tug too much on your eye area. So I actually don't like these makeup wipes. They are the brand Kirkland from Costco, and I got a huge pack for like, I don't know, it's super cheap. But I love that they're big and thick, but for some reason they burn my eyes and I hate when makeup wipes do that. So I think I need to go back to the Neutrogena wipes. Those are my ride or die. And then after doing that, I like to go in with a Q-tip and just wipe away anything that I couldn't get with the makeup wipe around the sensitive areas of my eye. And then I like to go in with this So Totally Clean. It's like a deep pore cleanser. I use it like a toner and just put a little bit on a cotton pad and just rub it all in my face. And what this does, it just removes the remainder of makeup that was left behind from the makeup wipe. So now I like to go in with my favorite serum ever. It is by the line Ole Henriksen. It is the Truth Serum, collagen boosted with True C Complex. So this whole line actually does such a great job at just brightening your skin. But this serum truly feels amazing, and I really feel like it has transformed my skin. So yeah, just patting it in, letting it dry a bit. And then next going in with my favorite moisturizer. It is by the same brand, the Ole Henriksen. It is the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and it literally smells so good. It smells like oranges. I literally just want to eat it. But yeah, I just rub this into my skin, into my neck. Always do not neglect your neck because it ages just like your face does, and your whole body, everything. And then I like to go in with the best eye cream. It is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It is by their skincare line as well. And I like to apply it with my ring finger because that's a finger that applies the least amount of pressure, and you should be very gentle with your under eyes. So I just like to dab it in around my eyes toward the edge. So then I like to just quickly take a spoolie and just comb out my eyebrow hairs because they are very crazy. And then I like to go in with just this lip balm. I think it's by Nivea, just to moisturize my lips. But anyways guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.